Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, here is a new clean with me that is better than my last one. I'm doing my whole house in this video, minus the showers and my daughter's room because I don't clean her room. I'm giving you a little overview of all the mess and hope you enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment and subscribe. I'm starting off in my room today. I think I start in my room all the time, but I am taking off my sheets so I can wash them. I feel like I haven't washed them in like a month, but I know I just did 2 weeks ago. So I'm just gonna wash my sheets and then dust everything.
If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
I recently bought this invisible glass. It's like a car window cleaner, but I'm sick of my windows and my mirrors having streaks. So I figured I would try this. I don't know, it was a couple dollars, it was cheap. So I'm giving it a try. It looks good, it smells terrible, so I'm sure it's pretty toxic, but I used it anyway.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. connections. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is
My son does clean his room himself pretty much every day, but as you can see from the condition of his room, he does a terrible job. So once a week, I do it for him, or whenever I'm going to record a video. If I'm not recording a video, I don't clean it. So I'm just straightening up his room.
doubts. Be free.
I'm not going to be cleaning his TV since last time I cleaned it in my last video. I broke the leg on it, so I need to buy a new stand for his TV. So it's kind of just propped up there, so I haven't cleaned it yet. I feel like every time I go into this bathroom, I'm picking up the same towels off the floor and changing the toilet paper roll. I don't know why my kids can't pick up after themselves, but apparently they can't. And if you notice, I always stand like super far away from the toilet because their toilet, I swear, just grosses me out. My son is 11 and he gets pee everywhere. His chore is to clean his toilet with the Lysol wipes that are on the back of the toilet every day, and it still grosses me out because he's once again 11 and doesn't do a very good job. But that's why I always look like I'm like really leaning far away from the toilet, because it just grosses me out. And I spray the whole thing so everything is wet, so I don't want to get my socks wet.
you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Right here you'll see me take a towel off and then put a new towel on. I have a bench over there and it's fabric like my chairs, and that's where my son sits. And another thing about boys, they like to wipe their hands on the seats. I don't know if that's just him, but we keep a towel there so that he doesn't ruin our seats. thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I wish it only took me 18 minutes to clean my house, but it definitely took me much longer. But it feels really good to have a nice clean house again. I hope this gives you some motivation to get up and clean your house and start the week off with a nice, fresh, clean house. Please like this video and leave me a comment and let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Most of you are watching, but 80% of my views, no one is subscribing. So click that button. I'm really trying to grow my channel. Thank you so much.